Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Pawan Kumar Kain from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about one-way Anova. Introduction to one-way Anova. One-way Anova is a statistical technique used to compare the means of three or more groups. It allows us to determine if there are significant differences between the means of these groups. One-way ANOVA is useful when we have one independent variable with another groups. Next topic, assumptions of one-way ANOVA. The data should be normally distributed within each group. The variances of the groups should be equal. Observations should be independent of each other. Next, hypothesis in one-way ANOVA. The null hypothesis states that there are no significant differences between the means of the groups. The alternatives hypothesis states that at least one group is significantly different from others. We use the p-test to determine if the observed differences between the groups statistically significant. And other topic in this topic, calculating the f value. The f value is calculated by dividing the between group variability by within the group variability. The between group variability measures the differences between the group means. The within group variability measures differences within each group. Interpreting the f value. If the calculated f value is greater than the critical value, we reject the null hypothesis. This indicates that at least one group mean is significantly different from others. If the calculated f value is less than the critical value, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. And other topic, post hoc tests. Post hoc tests are conducted after rejecting the null hypothesis in one way ANOVA. They help identify which specific group means are significantly different from each other. Common post hoc tests include Tukey's HSD, Boniferni, and Sheffel's tests. Effect size in one way ANOVA. Effect size measures the magnificence of the differences between the group means. Common effect size measures in when one-way ANOVA include a Uta squared n and partial Ela squared. Ela squared measures the portion of the total variance occurred for by groups. Reporting results. When reporting the results of one-way ANOVA, include F value, degrees of freedom, and P value and other extra etc. Also, report the effort size measures to provide a better understanding of the practical significance of the findings. Include any post hoc test results if significant differences between group means. Include any post hoc test results if significant differences between group means is there. Limitations of one-way ANOVA. One-way ANOVA assumes independence of observations and equal variances. Violations of these assumptions can lead to inaccurate results. One-way ANOVA does not identify which specific group means are different. Post hoc tests are required for that. Assumptions of independence. It assumes that the observations with It assumes that the observations within each group are independent. Violations of each group are independent. Violations of this assumption can lead to inaccurate results. Assumption of homogeneity of variances. It assumes that the variances of groups being compared are equal. If this assumption is violated, the ANOVA results might not be reliable. Assumption of normability. ANOVA assumes that the data within each groups are normally distributed. Departure from normality can affect the accuracy of the results, especially the smaller sample sizes. Each equal groupal size. Unequal group sizes can affect the ANOVA results, especially with smaller sample sizes or imbalanced designs. Conclusion. One-way Anova is a powerful statistical tool for comparing the means of three or more groups. It helps determine if there are signal differences between the group means. One-way ANOVA is a valuable statistical method used to compare means among three or more groups simultaneously. When its assumptions are met and careful considerations are given to its limitations, it can provide valuable insights to whether there are statistically significant differences among the group means. However, it's crucial time to interpret the results conscientiously and consider post-hack tests or alternately analysis for a deeper understanding of specific group differences. Understanding the assumptions and hypotheses and interpretation of results is crucial in applying one-way ANOVA effectively. Okay, this is about one-way ANOVA. Thank you.